Hello, my name is Rebecca Hedreen from Bewley Library, and today I want to talk a little bit about using large language models, specifically AI chatbots, to improve search, not to replace it. We've heard a lot about using AIs to cheat by basically having them do our work for us. But it is possible to use them to improve our work rather than to just replace what we've always been doing. And I have 3 tips to improve AI chatbot use for academics. So, first of all, don't worry about getting the exact wording of something, but do provide context. Why are you searching? What are you looking for? What format or style do you want the results in, or do you think that they will appear in? So for instance, are you looking for academic papers, or are you looking for opinions? What do you already know about this? So don't ask for answers, ask for help. So my example here, I want to do some research on the barriers that neurodivergent college students experience using the university library. I already know about sensory issues and lack of institutional knowledge. What else am I missing? I tried this in, I believe, ChatGPT, and it gave me a nice list of some other topics that I could investigate. Ask for evidence, but ask for evidence for and against. And this is especially true whenever a chatbot provides an answer for you. The chatbots are set up to very, very specifically to sound confident, to give you the kind of answer that they think you want. So they're going to give you what they think. Remember, they are not human. They don't think in the same way that we do. The processing is going to be encouraged to provide you answers that sound good. So ask for more information. A lot of this comes from the researcher Mike Caulfield. He writes The Ends of Argument on Substack. I highly recommend this. He has a wonderful little process. Get it in. So put whatever info that you have into the chatbot. Track it down. Look for answers. If it's not providing you with sources for those answers, ask for them. Follow up, ask about those answers, about those sources. Keep asking questions until you are satisfied. Now, how long that's going to take is going to depend on what it is that you're doing. For faculty, this makes a really good in-class or homework assignment, and it can be done in pretty much any chatbot, including the ones that are free and do not require accounts. You can also ask for help formulating a search process. So this is going to be if you want to do, say, a library search, and rather than asking it to, write your paper and come up with citations, which is generally a problem because unless you are very, very, very specific, a lot of them, if they can't find something that exactly answers your question, they will make it up. So you need to try and find a way of getting it to provide you with questions. You can use a chat or tool that is better about providing links, such as Perplexity or Microsoft Copilot. Or you can just literally ask for help doing a search. So I have a couple of examples here. I'm an athletic trainer with a woman who needs core strengthening. Give me some search terms for PubMed or Medline to find good evidence-based research for menopausal women who need core work. So again, I've gone back, I've given it a context, I'm telling it what I'm looking for, and very specifically, I'm looking for searches for PubMed Medline. This gave some very good suggestions. I think I did this one in ChatGPT for a class. And we got some good ideas for how to actually get that search working. Another one, I'm starting a research project on how to apply the concept of reading identity to library use. Where should I start searching and what search terms can I use? So in this case, I've told it what I'm looking for, but I said I don't know where to start or what to do. So we can actually try this. I'm going to try this in Perplexity, which is one of the chat. Perplexity is actually a chat tool and search engine, so it has search-based it baked into it. I do have an account here, but you don't have to have an account in order to use this. And when I actually do this, it's telling me what it's looking for. So it's giving me some ideas. It's giving me some areas of knowledge to look in. And then it's providing me with a bunch of search terms. It's also giving me some suggestions for databases. So Google Scholar, ERIC, which is a library database, Librarian Information Science Source, Lista. Those are databases. We have Lista, we have JSTOR, we have Project Muse. It even suggests ProQuest dissertations and theses for, as they say, newer projects on reader identity in libraries. Dissertations and theses are great for finding out, like, what are people actually doing right now? And some other options, including a bunch of terms that I can literally just copy and paste into a search box. So this is the kind of thing that I mean when I say you can use these tools to improve your searches, not just have them do your searches for you. It forces you to think a little bit about your topic, but that's actually really important. Thank you.